more than once.
Exactly. Right. Yeah, I just say 1 or 2 because that's like the bare minimum. But I know at least in your lifetime, you're gonna have at least 1 or 2 that's gonna fuck your life up in ways that it's not a good way.
No. No. Hopefully you don't reach that very low point.
Almost like Shanti. Like, I don't even know why Nelly. I know you married and everything, but you should have stayed. Just stays out of the drama. You don't really hear nothing about it. Good peoples. You see light, but I think she likes females. She's a good woman. I rarely hear any bad thing about her. The list goes on and on and on, but some niggas, girl, you got it good. Don't know you have that. What's wrong with you? And I've been there, but I was an idiot though. Like you can't blame me. I was young, dumb, and full of, you know what? I didn't have a good head on my shoulder. But it seems like Big Sean has a good head on the shoulder. He's not graduate. I mean, he's good to a point, but he ain't no gangster. He ain't out here in these streets. He may talk a big game on some albums, but I'm pretty sure he could probably be a good dude, good family man, kids and shit. I don't think he would run.
Yeah, I think so.
So I don't understand. Maybe like I always thought Chris Brown and Rihanna was gonna do good until that night.
Oh man, I know. I was rooting for them too.
Hell yeah.
I know they both still love each other.
Right. Yeah, that could be.
My boy crazy, but she can find another one. I mean, I get it though. I'm happy she didn't say it.
Right.
But he needs time for it. Like, he needs to fix a lot of things.
And she was right, because you can imagine he's been in court how many times, like ridiculous amounts of going to court, back and forth. Like, dude, stay the fuck out of jail. Are you what? Chris Brown, right? So it's almost like he's the future. I hope not. I mean, nothing sexual, but you know what I mean, like in and out of courts. It's stupid shit. And Chris Brown's super talented. Motherfucker dropped like a 40-track album that one year. Remember, it was like 40 tracks or 50 tracks. It was something crazy. Like, damn, this dude got music. He ain't got to make an album for the next 5 years. It was ridiculous. I mean, it's like, what is he doing? But he made his paper, and you ain't hear him make nothing after that, because I think that was like 2 or 3 albums into one. And he ain't got to make no more for a while. Neither does Rihanna. Rihanna sold so many albums. People mad at her. But it's like, yo, if I already reached...
What, she reached billionaire status?
Yeah. Close to it. Yeah. She's really close.
Her beauty line, which I have stuff coming now for me today. And her lingerie, she didn't do anything else. She was making way more off that than she ever was on music.
Right, I wouldn't waste my time. Unless I just wanted to, like if it was just something to do, and I get all the royalties, I get everything.
Exactly.
Okay, I'll do it. But if you're talking about you
and you make most of your money with touring anyway. And no offense, but she was not a performer.
No.
She could not sing in public like that.
I agree.
So it's like, what's the point? You might as well. Just rest on your laurels of music and just keep it pushing with this business.
Yes. And doing movies.
Oh, yeah, that's true too.
She did Ocean's 8. She was good in that. I like Ocean's. I watch it every time I come on. They had a little, they were stealing diamonds and stuff.
Yeah, even though they made her stereotypical Caribbean. But
they did, yeah.
They definitely her. But she still did a good job.
Mindy is what? Or Mindy, I gotta stop. Actually, her name is Mindy. Yeah.
Kaylin? Mindy Kaylin.
Yeah.
Indian chick.
Right. Her parents are Indian. Like, they still played into that as well. Same thing, the Asian, I forget her name. But I like her as an actress as well. The Asian girl, oh man.
Sandra?
She's been as, remember Crazy Rich Asians?
Yes.
Or Rachel's,
yeah, she's on Fresh Off the Boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like her a lot too.
She's good people. But they give us those, you're right. They stereotype almost, damn. No matter if you're black or you're a person of color, they're going to give you those roles. Like the Asian girl got to be sneaky and thievery or smart. Because remember, she was counting cards in the park, whatever, tricking the guy out of the watch. And then plus counting cards, that's what Asians normally do is gamble. But You're right. You know, you bring up a good point. And it was a traditional Indian family with Mindy and her mom. They were all in a sweatshop, kind of, like selling jewels or fake jewelry, which Indian people do. They're great at it, yeah. Yeah. And then Rihanna's character, yeah, it was straight up great. Yeah, huh. They did screw. Okay. Save the world. You just brought light to the subject.
Well, I'm trying to think what else that Rihanna's been in. I know there's been some roles that have been good. I don't think she's been the stereotypical, but...
No, she did Battleship. You know, one Navy movie where aliens come down.
Oh, yeah.
That was kind of stupid. It was
I don't know if you can be a stereotypical anything in that kind of movie.
Yeah, true.
I mean, maybe.
Well, she did her part. I think that was her first movie role. So she did good.
I love Rihanna. I just think she started out her little music of the Sun album.
You said Music of the Sun.
That was her first album back in like 2005, 2000.
The one with the black writing, or I'm sorry.
6 something like that.
She had like the gothic writing on it? Or was that the second one?
She was on a beach with like a sunrise somewhere behind her.
Okay, I haven't seen it. Interesting.
Yeah, I love that first album. One of my favorites of hers. That's also because my ex at the time said he was in like primary school, which is like grade school in our life, or high school or something.
That's what primary school stands for.
Yeah, and like in these primary schools, like grade school, or like right up to high school kind of thing.
Primary school. Okay. Gotcha.